Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing some tidy up and clean up my backyard. In that area, we had a lot of wildfires for over a month, but we also had a lot of smoke from it, and my plants got ill and they did not taste right. And so I have decided to clean my garden and put a lot of my garden beds to sleep and not produce anything. You will see me leaving a lot of cut up plants in the garden, and that is, I will be composting all of that in there for my next planting season. I hope this will be motivating for you guys, and enjoy. As you can see, I am not removing every single plant out of my garden, and that is because I have some plants left there on purpose because they are going to produce some seeds for me for my next planting season.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling in love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling in love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, in love, in love, in love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, in love, in love, in love.
I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of a content, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new and have not subscribed yet, click that subscribe button. And now I will go and help my kids to pick those beans. Have a wonderful day. Bye.